Hello students, today we will do a new chapter on algebraic identities. This is very important for class 8 and thereafter also. Now, before start this chapter, we will focus only these two formula a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab and another one a minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now take example. These sums. We will take 8a as a and 2b as a b and rewrite the formula a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now do the calculation and this is your answer. Now take another example. Again, this is the compare with a plus b whole square. That means 9a taken as a and 1 by 6 taken as a b. Now expand with the formula 9a whole square 1 by 6 whole square plus 2 9a 1 by 6. Now simple calculation now. Do the calculation and that is your answer. Now take another example. X by 4 as a and y by 3 as a b. Now expand with the minus formula x by 4 whole square plus y by 3 whole square minus 2ab. Now do the calculation and get the answer. Now let's take this example. This is the same a minus b whole square formula we'll use. So expand with the formula a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now do the calculation. The square will be both for a to the power 4 and b square plus and again square will be both for b and c square. So b square c to the power 4 minus 2 a square b square and c square. That is your answer. Now we try to find the values of 99 square and 102 whole square using the formula we already learned here. So for 99 you can write 100 minus 1 whole square. So you can see this is your a and 1 is your b. So write the formula 100 square means a square 1 square minus 2ab. So 100 square means 10,000 and 1 minus 200. So do the calculation, just easy calculation. This is your answer. Now comes to this part. 102 can be expressed 100 plus 2. So here formula is a plus b whole square. So expand again. Two square minus 2. Now comes to sums number 2. Here you can express 102 as a 100 plus 2 whole square. So expand a plus b whole square. Formula here 100 square plus 2 square plus 2 into 100 into 2. So do the calculation and do the answer. Now here we learn how to make a perfect square number. So you can compare these sums with this formula. So now you can write 64a square as a 8a whole square and leave some gap, and 9b square can be written as a 3b whole square. So in these sums 8a will be your a and 3b will be your b. Now fill the blank. 2, so 8a as a and 3b as a b. Now multiply 2, 8, 3, a and b. You will get 48 ab. So you can write 8a plus 3b whole square, which is a perfect square expression. Let's take another example to make it perfect square. So we can write 2m square in place of 4m square and 1 square for 1. Now here 2m is the a and b as a 1. So now complete 2ab, 2, that is your 2mb and 1. Now multiply this one, you get 4m. So clearly you can say 2m minus 1 whole square. It is a perfect square. Look at this sum. Here x plus y and xy is given and we have to find x square plus y square. So first we do squaring both sides. Student must write these instructions at the right side. Now express with the formula x square plus y square plus 2xy equal to 16. Now substitute xy with 2. So you get 4 here. So 16 minus 4. So that is your answer. Let's do a very important sums. Now squaring both sides again and express using formula. Now do calculation. So x square plus 1 by x square becomes 14. So that is your first answer. Now for second part we will do squaring again both sides. So again you can express, that is your a square plus b square plus 2a and b equal to 196, and do a simple calculation and 194, that is your answer. Hope you enjoy today's video. Please subscribe my channel to get a new video very soon.